Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I have a giant protein cookie in my mouth, so please excuse me, but I'm on my way to the gym. It is 10:45 in the morning. It's Wednesday, August 28th, and we're gymming today. I know all last week I didn't film any workout videos because sometimes, I don't know, I was kind of like in a funk. I'm still trying to get out of it. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this plateau that everybody hits in their weight loss journey. I think I hit mine and I haven't. I don't know if it's in my head or what, but I just feel like I'm not losing weight anymore, or I feel like I could have lost a lot more weight by now and it's just not working as fast. I'm gonna ask my trainer today if there's something that we can do to kind of tweak it, or if I have to like do something else with my eating. I'm still doing Herbalife. I actually have something that I need to talk to you guys about, but that will more than likely be in the next video, so stay tuned for that if you guys want to find out what that little news is. If you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you guys probably already know, but I will go more into detail in a different video. For right now, I'm on my way to the gym. Those workouts that you do not want to do are the ones that are actually the best ones. So all last week I had been coming by myself. My trainer had some things going on, so she wasn't able to train with me, and I was really proud of myself because even though I had to go by myself, I was able to do it. And I thought the only difference is that I don't have someone like pushing me like, go, keep going. And sometimes, I'm being completely honest with you guys, I do take breaks a little bit longer than I should because I do get tired, as everybody else does. Like, it's only normal for you to get tired. I'm gonna train with her today and Friday, and then hopefully next week I will be coming the 3 days with her. And then I also want to slide in some cycle classes. I don't know if I ever told you guys that I was also cycling now. So they're at Cycle House. So the gym that I attend is called Studio 1007, but it's also called Cycle House. So there's like two little gyms in one, except one is a cycle place and the other one is just a gym. So I also started doing Cycle House, and I'm so excited because hopefully that'll help me see more of a difference. For the most part, this is not a vlog, this is just a workout video. So I hope you guys enjoy this workout. Get it in with me, let's do the damn thing, and we'll see you guys after to let you know how it goes, because I have no idea what I'm doing today and I'm actually kind of scared. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by warming up. So you guys know that I always do at least 15 minutes on the treadmill, the bike, or the Stairmaster, and today I chose the treadmill. So I'm gonna do 15 minutes on here, warm up, and today's workout is a cardio based workout. So this first workout that I'm gonna do here is basically squats, weighted squats. Before I get into it, that white thing you see on my crack is my tag for my leggings. So you're gonna see that a lot in this video, so don't mind my tag. I mean, my butt's pretty big, but it's just a tag. So the way you do this workout is you're going to squat once, pick up the weight, go up, and then the next time you squat, you put the weight down and jump up. So it's a jump, pick up the weight, jump up, put down the weight, squat. No, wait, what? Yeah, I mean, you get what I'm doing? You jump, you put it down, you jump, you pick it up, you jump, you put it down, and then you just go. You're gonna do 4 sets of these. I don't remember exactly how many sets I did of each workout, and I tried counting, but I'm just confusing myself. But it constantly changes, so it's never like the same amount with each time I do the workout, if that makes any sense at all. I'm trying to catch my breath here. Now this next workout, I'm going to do this 4 times. So I'm gonna run down that way where I'm at, do a lunge on each leg. I kind of like was gonna fall there, bust my butt, and then throw the 20-pound ball down to the floor, and then run back towards the camera. So that's gonna be 1 set. I'm gonna run away from the camera and then back. That's 1 set. And then this is starting my 2nd set. So I just did my 2 lunges through the ball, and now I'm starting the 2nd set, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna do this 4 times. It's crazy. Like my heart rate was at like 200 the entire time, but I felt like my heart was gonna pop out of my chest. So this is a perfect workout if you are looking into losing weight. I've heard the more cardio, the more your heart rate shoots up, like the better. I've heard. I don't know how true that is, but I mean, cardio can be your best friend if you're trying to lose weight. So I guess just try it out. This next workout, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Walk to and from to the camera and away from the camera, and then I'm gonna squat 3 times holding a 25-pound weight, and then that's gonna be 1 set. So I walk towards it, turn back, there's my tag, walk away from it, and that's 1 set. I hope this makes sense, you guys. Again, if you're doing this at home, just grab like a gallon of water, 2 gallons of water, whatever, however much weight that it is that you can carry, and just do this. Walk in a hallway, walk from your kitchen to your living room, or wherever, as long as you're doing this. And yeah, it was also pretty intense. It wasn't as hardcore as the next workout you're gonna see. And I think I did this one about 6 times to and from the camera. I just didn't add in all the sets because it's just super repetitive, and you guys can obviously see what I'm doing. So this is the 3rd workout. I think I did a total of 4 today. I could be wrong. So I hope you're enjoying it so far. This is the last set, and this was probably the worst by far. So I did I think this is called a recumbent bike. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but basically I've done this before. Hop on the bike and burn 5 calories. As soon as I'm done, hop off. I put on that band around above my knees, and then did like a little hopscotch deal here with this ladder thing. I don't know what it's called, but I did that. You could either hop into the next square or walk. The next 2 sets or 3 sets that I do, I am going to just like step into them instead of hopping into them, because like I said, my heart was gonna pop out of my chest, it felt like. And then so it's the bike, this ladder thing, and then like squats to the side. I did 8 of those coming towards the camera. So it was like a 3-set, like a 3-rep in one. Oh my gosh, I need to get better at this. I'm probably frustrating you guys, like this girl has no idea what she's talking about and I don't. I'm so sorry. I will try to get better at this, but this is basically starting my second set, and I think I did this 4 times. So this basically concludes today's cardio-based workout. It was killer. I loved it. Like I said at the beginning, the workouts that you dread the most are going to be the best ones you have. So even though you don't feel like going, make it a point to get up and get to the gym. We are out of the gym. It's already going to be 2 in the afternoon and I've been out for a while now. But I had a moment at the gym, you guys. Today was a cardio-based workout, so it was much more intense than all the past workouts have been for the past week and a half that I've been doing by myself. But I feel so much better. Like after today, I feel so much better. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, I had been feeling down in the dumps because I thought that I wasn't losing enough weight, or I wasn't losing it as fast as I wanted to see. And the thing is, I hadn't been active anywhere on Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube. Like I haven't uploaded anywhere because I didn't know how to be inspiring or whatever. I didn't know how I could help you guys when I couldn't even help myself. So I thought, why am I going to be uploading videos, or why am I going to be putting up posts on Instagram if I don't feel good about myself, you know? So everyone hits a plateau. Everyone is going to hit that spot where you just don't feel like you can keep going, where you feel like, what's the point of moving forward if you're not seeing any progress? But there is progress, you guys. My trainer told me today, you see yourself every single day. So to myself, I feel like I haven't lost any weight. From what other people tell me, I've lost a lot of inches. I've so far lost 28 pounds since I started. I have not weighed myself. The last time I weighed myself, I had lost 6 more pounds. So that was the 28 pounds that I've lost. So I'm not gonna weigh in again until mid-September. So I don't know if I've lost any more weight. And even if I haven't, that's okay, because I'm also lifting weights and I see my body changing somewhat, not as much as I would like, but because I see my body every single day, I'm not gonna see it change drastically like everybody else sees it. So my trainer took some pictures of me today, and that was just what I needed to see. So I was telling her my problems, like how I had been feeling and stuff like that, and she told me we're gonna take your pictures because we haven't done it in a while, and you have to see like the progress that you've made. So I'm gonna insert that picture here so that you guys can see so that you guys can see like a progress picture that is not coming from me, like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not taking it with my phone, somebody else is taking it for me. And like, it's just like, I was speechless. I started crying after she showed me that, like, those pictures, that progress that I've made in a month and a half of training with her. I thought that I needed to see the pounds drop quick. That is something that does not have to happen. It doesn't necessarily have to happen that way. You don't have to drop pounds like crazy. The good thing is that even if I'm not losing a crazy amount of weight, or I'm not seeing a crazy amount of numbers on the scale go down, the energy that I have now is totally different. The way that I feel is, I feel healthy, I feel alive. Like, that's even weird to say. Like, I felt like a zombie before. I would wake up, I was just at the house, I wouldn't do anything, I would clean, you know, but I was moping around, and basically that's how I felt this past couple of days. But after today's workout, like, I'm just in it, you guys, and I know that you guys probably feel the same way sometimes. Just keep going, keep going. If you've hit that plateau, tweak stuff around, change up your workout, switch up your eating habits just a little bit, and I promise that you are going to feel a lot better. You have two options. I went to a seminar this past weekend for Herbalife, and the speaker that we had, Blair Murphy, she said something that kind of just like stuck in my head, and my coach Christy actually reminded me a little while ago. I have two choices. I can either be pitiful about myself, or I can be powerful, but I cannot be both. So I'm choosing to be powerful, and I'm not gonna throw a pity party for myself. No one else is gonna put in the work for you. You have to do it for yourself. If you want it, you have to work for it, and it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be really hard. You're gonna need to find that willpower, but I promise you guys, dig deep in your brain and in your heart, and you're gonna be able to find it. And you guys also can change. It's all just up to you guys. How hard do you guys want it? I'm pretty sure you want it super hard. You just have to work a little bit, pretty hard, to get to where you want to be. It's not gonna be easy, but it's gonna be worth it. So I'm so sorry that I was gone for a long time. I promise I will try to not feel like this anymore and upload constantly for you guys. The next video that I upload is going to be speaking about Herbalife again. I am going to be filming my second workout of the week on Friday, so expect another workout video this Friday, or like Saturday, because I'm gonna film it Friday. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or whatever, if you guys just need to talk, just follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. I'm there for you guys. Like, I will listen to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.